What is going on, everybody? It's your pal the Drone Trucker on the Trucker Pass YouTube channel. Today we are doing a review, or basically an unboxing, of the RAND McNally Dashcam 300. It's got a 2-inch screen, 2304 by 1296 Super HD. Comes with a 16 gig SD card, GPS, G sensor, and shoots at 60 frames per second, which really, of what I've been learning how to do cameras and recording and all that, that's pretty good. The box contains a Dashcam 300, suction cup mount, vehicle charger with extra USB port, which that'd come in handy, USB cable, 16 gig SD card, and quick start guide. So let's hop into it. Trusty dandy knife, like that, like that. That's one thing I hate about electronics, is they always go bad before you even get to use them. Let's see here. All right, there's that. Now the reveal. Well, they don't want you to open this box at all. Alright, so first thing you see is the quick start guide, which has all your information, everything that comes with it, how to install the mount, insert, remove SD card. Let's see here, what else? Let's see here. View photos. But you know what? We'll get to that once we get everything out. So here. Ooh, fancy. Uh-oh, we got a little, gotta do a peeling. Ooh, screen protector. Oh, looks like you got some power button. There's a USB. It's actually the regular USB charging cable. It's not the standard or the C cord. Yeah, it's built pretty good. Alright, so we'll set that there. Let's get the phone. Alright, let's set that there. Alright, so now we got the power cord. That's a nice little power cord. What's this? Oh, see, there you go. You got that little extra. So that's really, that comes in handy for being a truck driver. And you got your suction mount. Oh, that's, oh yeah. Your USB plugs in that. Alright. Now we got okay, there's the USB. Okay, so this is basically, this will, you plug this into your charging right here. So it might be like a data transfer cable or something like that, but alright, so now let's put this stuff back in here, because whenever you do new product, especially being a truck driver, you always want to keep everything together in case you have to take it back and get another one. Alright, so we'll keep this out. Put that on there. Alright, so what's this right here? Lane departure and collision warnings, large screen, ultra high quality video at 60 frames per second. G sensor, basically if you have an accident or hit something or it causes the force of the vehicle, it's going to record it and save it with a date stamp with GPS, extra wide angle, night mode, rugged mount, time lapse shows key moments from your drive. Wow, that's pretty neat. So yeah, so let's all right, so there's another little screen. I'm gonna leave this on there for right now. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. All right, so stay tuned for the final layout of it.